I broke down exactly how I'd build a $2 million recurring revenue offer in the AI space in 2026 based on a huge market cap that I've found and validated. If you missed my last live stream, this video is for you. I'll try to recap what I talked about in 2 minutes. And the reason why I'm sharing all of this and not going after this opportunity myself is because I'm already focused on my own SaaS product. It's going really well, and I'm not trying to get distracted. During my live stream, I filled out a business model canvas for this opportunity. So what is the problem? What is the solution? What's our differentiation? How do you get customers? How do you measure success, etc.? I broke it all down and I'll summarize it here. So the problem is that vibe coding is really, really hard if you're non-technical. There's so much excitement around vibe coding tools in 2026, and for good reason. You can build quite a lot, but it's pretty hard to build something meaningful and get paid for it, get paying customers if you are non-technical. So that's the problem, and there honestly aren't many good resources or communities to help you get to where you want to go. The $2 million offer here would be a school vibe coding community where you provide continuous education on how to build vibe coding products and also how to get distribution, how to get paying customers. You can do weekly Q&A, weekly events, and answer people's questions within the community. How does this become a $2 million offer? Let's say you charge $100 per month, which is not even close to the highest amount that AI communities are charging. If you get a little under 1,700 paying clients, that is $2 million in recurring revenue every year. Now, is 1,700 people realistic? Well, there are millions and millions of people using vibe coding tools, trying to figure out how to build stuff, either to get paying customers or build internal tooling. And so out of millions and millions and millions of people, there are certainly 1,700 people who would pay $100 per month to accelerate their learning and avoid lots of pain. Think about 5 years ago, the cost to build an MVP, it was easily thousands of dollars and multiple months, right, to hire somebody to help you build your MVP. You can do that now for a fraction of the cost at a fraction of the time. So $100 per month to get up to speed really quickly is not actually that much money when you think about the time savings and pain saving involved. Two different ways I think you could position this. Both of them can work. Number one is focusing on helping you build products that actually make money. So helping you acquire your first 10 paying customers for your product. That's one positioning angle. Another one is technical, helping you build products that actually work, that are secure. If you have a technical background, you'll probably want to go with a technical angle. If you have a product or product marketing background, you'll probably go with the money-oriented angle. In terms of how to get users for this school community, you would do it through a combination of short form tutorials and long form YouTube tutorials. So short form, literally post TikToks and Reels saying, here's how you do this, or I vibe coded this, here's the prompt I use for this, Claude Code vibe coding tips for this, here are the best vibe coding tools in 2026, whatever. And then on YouTube, you do longer form tutorials, typically 10 to 20 minutes, walking through how to vibe code a particular type of app, or tips for vibe coding, or how to debug a particular issue. I talk through a ton more detail in my live stream, so this is the short version. Make sure you save my live stream on your calendar. It's every Friday, 4 p.m. Pacific time on TikTok, YouTube, Instagram, and Twitch.